Good morning, everyone. Today I am showing you the history of the goddess Sanalma at Sanaldham village, Mangrol near Tharad, location in Vav Tharad district, Gujarat in India country. The history of goddess Sanalma is too old as approximately 700 years. At that time in Kathiawad, Veda Appa, a Charan Gadhvi's daughter named Sani, and his family arrived. After some time, Veda Charan's family were affected by drought condition and they were resourceless and foodless. Then the family were migrated to Veda Appa's friend's house for shelter. In between time, Sani and Veda Appa's friend's son named Vijanand have bonded with love in childhood. After showed happiness of their children, they decided to marry each other and they promised for marriage. After end of drought condition, all were well settled and Veda Appas and his family gone to their village. After some years, Vijanand's family were destroyed, leaving Vijanand alive. He had residenceless and foodless. Vijanand reached to Veda Appa's village for remember his promise for marriage of Sani and Vijanand. But after showing the condition of Vijanand, Veda Appa given a challenge to collect 100 white-headed buffalo within next Kachhi New Year. Vijanand accepted the challenge, but he was failed to complete within time. He lost the challenge. After that,